Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll share with you a facial scrub, an exfoliating facial scrub that is going to keep your skin hydrated. And if you're suffering from dry or scaly skin, this remedy is going to help treat you of that problem and get rid of it completely. So to prepare this exfoliating facial scrub, we're going to make use of salt and extra virgin olive oil. These two ingredients together is going to help exfoliate your skin and get rid of all the dead skin cells, giving way for healthy and new skin tissues to grow. And it's also going to help deeply cleanse your pores and get rid of all the toxins and residue from products you use on a day-to-day activity. Here's my mixing bowl, and to my mixing bowl I'll add just about a tablespoon of salt. This is normal kitchen salt. And next we're going to make use of a tablespoon of the olive oil. So this exfoliating scrub is not only for the face, it's also for any area of the body you wish to exfoliate. And if you're suffering from dryness on the skin or you have a scaly skin, this scrub is just for you. You go ahead and apply it all over your skin and exfoliate the dryness away. With time, really just application, you will realize a smooth, soft and hydrated and moisturized skin. So here you have it guys, our exfoliating scrub is ready. To apply this, you go ahead and massage it into your skin. Dip your hands in it, massage it gently. Whichever area you wish to exfoliate, not only on the face, you massage it in a circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Be gentle with it because the salt is a bit harsh to the skin. It's not really skin friendly. If you scrub too hard, it's going to leave you with scars. So you scrub very gently for 5 minutes. Just the way I'm showing you right now. After 5 minutes, you allow this to sit on you for 30 minutes. Then you go ahead and wash it off with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water because it's going to help open up your pores, and this remedy, the olive oil in this remedy, is going to deeply cleanse your pores, and it's also going to deeply hydrate your skin and keep it constantly moisturized. Therefore, you'll be free from dry skin or scaly skin. And this is also going to help exfoliate your skin and get rid of all the dead skin cells, leaving your skin very healthy and radiant and beautiful. So you repeat this remedy twice in a week for about 2 to 3 weeks for best results, because at the end of your second application, I bet you'll be on your way to a beautiful, radiant, hydrated and moisturized skin. So guys, go ahead and try this and share your experience with me in the comment section, because I love to know how it turned out, how your experience was, how it went with you. Share it with me in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video as well with your friends and loved ones and your family. Click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel, because I upload very informative and useful videos just as this one on a daily basis on this channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up because I'm sure you liked it, and I'll see you in my next video.